Hi friends, welcome to another video tutorial. Do you want to change your number on WhatsApp? Here is a video tutorial on how to do that. The first step is to launch the WhatsApp app on your device. Then you tap on the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. It looks like a gear icon. In the Settings menu, you tap on Accounts. Then you look for the option labeled Change Number and tap on it. WhatsApp will provide you with some information about what changing number will do. Read through it and tap Next when you are ready to proceed. Enter your old phone number, that is the number currently associated with your WhatsApp account, into the first field. Then you enter your new phone number in the second field. WhatsApp will then send a verification code to your new number. Make sure you have access to the new number to receive this code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the provided field in WhatsApp. Then WhatsApp will confirm the change of phone number. Review this information and tap Done to complete the process. WhatsApp will give you an option to notify your contacts about your new number. You can choose to notify all contacts you have been chatting with, or not to notify anyone. So you select the option that suits you and tap Next to continue. Then you receive a confirmation message once the new number change process is complete. Your WhatsApp account is now associated with your new phone number. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.